What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, I got my Pixel 9 Pro XL on deck. And yes, guys, we got it yesterday. Yesterday was October the 15th. And we got Android 15. So I just kind of wanted to really share my thoughts. I updated my device yesterday. I wanted to get into some of the things and some of the differences I noticed and my overall opinion about this update. So, okay, guys, so yesterday was the 15th, and we got Android 15. Now, I haven't ran any beta or anything of that nature. I came from Android 14 and went to Android 15. So, as you can see, I got Android 15 on my device. I got the update just like I get any other update. It did talk about some of the things that Android 15 came with. It was just over a gigabyte and didn't take too long to install. Now, if you just hit on Android 15, we got our Android 15 symbol with animation going on here, guys. So, first and foremost, of course, it was just exciting to get the Android 15 update because when we think of Android, we think of customization and features and just such feature-packed software, compared to like an Apple. But yesterday when I got the update and I looked at some of the things that would be updated and some of the things that was mentioned and I seen some content, I realized it wasn't going to be a crazy update, guys. So if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and update your device, guys. Now I've been using my device since I put Android 15 on here. Nothing seems buggy. Like I haven't checked any battery life or anything like that. I haven't had this on my device long enough to really go through it. But I have noticed like a couple little features and a couple little updates to things and a couple little things that have changed. But like I said, I don't see no reason for you not to update the Android 15. It seems like it's working perfectly fine. Every app, I haven't had any issues. Now I might do a full-on review of the Pixel 9 Pro XL on Android 15. If things do change, if I notice from 14 to 15, there may be some changes in battery life, camera performance, and stuff like that. But that'll take some time to figure out. But what I have seen is a couple different things that I've been on the lookout for because I've seen some content. I've seen the volume sliders. They've actually changed that, made that a little bit more animated, made it a little bit bigger, a little more grandiose. So that was pretty dope. That was a nice touch. Also, now these devices have an area called private spaces where you can put apps and photos and things of that nature on the device, and it'll be like a private space on the device where you have to use some type of password, things of that nature to get to. So that's another addition. And now I also noticed that they kind of completed wallpaper and style. When it came to the Pixel, I feel like wallpaper and style was a little janky. Now you get like an outright preview of how you set up your wallpaper, and now you can zoom in on your wallpaper and get it set exactly how you want it set on your home screen and lock screens. And I know there's a lot of other small changes to Android 15, guys, but I'm going to be honest with you. I really don't notice those changes unless I go looking for them. As far as the overall using the device, it's not really much change. It's a bunch of fine tune. Like honestly, Android 15 feels like Android 14.5 so far. Now, I may be wrong and I may have to come back and change that. But these are just, I guess, the skeletons, the bare bones of stable Android 15. And maybe Google will build on it from here. But as we sit right now, don't expect a dramatic change in your device and how things look and how things are set up when you update to Android 15. It's pretty much the same old with a couple tricks added and security features added. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that that update is out there and you should update your device and keep your device update, especially for the security and the privacy factor. It's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I appreciate you watching. I'm out. Peace.